Here we have a JTD 3-pack remote control outlet bundle. You put the outlet in your wall. It's got another outlet on the front of it. And it comes with a remote. And you can then turn the power on and off with that remote. On the top of each outlet, there is a programming button. Unlike some other brands, all of our JTD outlets are pre-programmed. For most users, there is no need to touch this button. Before you start, don't forget to remove a piece of plastic from the back of the remote controller. Otherwise the controller won't work. The remote controller is simple to use with only 2 columns of buttons that are clearly marked on and off. These buttons allow you to control one or multiple units. The numbers marked on the controller tell us which plug it controls. We have 2 plugs and the one on the left is numbered 1, and the one on the right is numbered 2. Pretty easy to use. The remote control outlets are incredibly simple and fast to set up. Simply plug the outlet adapter into the outlet, plug the lamp into the adapter. Press down number 1 on button, then the left lamp is on. Press down number 1 off button, then the left lamp is off. Then hit number 1 on button again. Hit number 2 on button, then the right lamp is on. Then we try some other buttons. The remote can control the outlet from up to 200 feet away, even through walls, around corners, or other obstructions. Once the outlet is set up, no other labor is necessary. I hope this video has been helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.